and welcome to the 5th edition of Greatest Brands and Leaders 2020-21, Asia, Middle East, Africa, powered by Asia One Magazine and URS Media. Through this series, we acknowledge the inspiring success stories of eminent Asian brands and leaders from across the globe who have enabled the continent to acquire a prominent position the world over. So before we move any further, let's hear from the man behind this vision and mission who skillfully curated these Greatest Brands and Leaders Awards, Rajat Raj Shukam, Global Head and Principal Partner, URS Media Consulting and Asia One Magazine.
Round of applause for Dubai first, for how in the post-COVID times, maybe this is the first nation to overcome the COVID-19 to this level that they are hosting the world's biggest expo as the Dubai Expo. And I also urge all of you to visit the expo. We've been holding this summit from 2014 onwards in Dubai every year. And we also hold it in Mumbai, Singapore and Thailand. And it's all about all of you as leaders participating with us, getting featured with us. And I'm also pleased to tell you the Asia One Magazine now is running a television series which goes out to 79 countries and 39 million audiences, which is called the Greatest Brands and Leaders, Asia, Middle East and Africa. And let the awards begin.
We now bring you a very special address by Union Minister of Jal Shakti, Government of India, Shri Gajendra Singh Shekhawat. Honourable Minister, over to you.
I'm thankful to the Asia One Magazine for their efforts for giving recognition to the people who have changed or brought the change in the life of the people of Asia. And I suggest that there is only one name which can be considered for that. That is our beloved Prime Minister Pradhan Mantri Modi ji, who has brought change in the behavior of 60 crore people through sanitation mission, who has enlightened the almost more than 4 crore households by providing electricity, who has re-established and reinforced the dignity of the woman of almost 30 crore by giving them toilets in their home, and is working to bring change in the life of almost 16 crore households, or I may say 64 crore people of the country, by giving them tap water and indirectly ensuring a better health and life to all of them. Thank you.
With that, the first category here at Greatest Brands and Leaders 2020-21, Asia, Middle East, Africa, is Asia One Global Indian of the Year 2020-21. And the honour goes to Prasad Guntupalli, co-founder and executive deputy chairman, ATRA.
Prasad Guntupalli is the co-founder and executive deputy chairman of ATRA, a reputed technology services provider in the payments domain. From working part-time and putting himself through college to becoming a first-generation entrepreneur at the age of 42, Prasad is truly a self-made professional who soared above his humble roots with grit and determination. A leader with a never-say-die attitude, he evolved ATRA from an Australian-based consulting firm into a global company with a presence in 13 countries, close to 2,500 employees and a revenue of $75 million. Winning the Global Leader of the Year award for 2020-2021 is one of the many accolades Prasad has received over the years.
It's great to be recognized, and this award is also unique in the sense that it has come through a process of independent jury selection than a nomination. So it feels good to be recognized as ATRA and also as part of the wider Synchron fraternity. The idea was to build an organization that is very niche in payments capabilities. We are exclusively focused on IT services around payment ecosystem. We have always said that we are going to go inch wide and mile deep within the payments category of IT services. We have actually lived up to our expectation of our tagline, which is we believe we can do it and therefore we make it happen. It's very pleasing when a large customer set come and talk to you when they have their biggest IT services challenge around payments, be it in the portfolio migration or conversions or building a new fintech switch or launching a new product. So we have become a go-to company for a number of our customers within the payment space, and that's always pleasing.
The next category is Global Asian of the Year 2020-21, and the title was bagged by Satinder Sharma, CEO and board member, Petro Contracts International Limited. The company has also been conferred the honor of being Asia's Greatest Brands 2020-21.
Satendra Sharma, CEO and board member of Petro Contracts International Limited, a company started in 2017 with offices in London, Dubai and Abu Dhabi to provide services for project management, proposals, commercial management, contracts and claims management catering to oil and gas, energy, power and infrastructure sectors. Mr. Sharma brings over 40 years of oil and gas industry experience to his role that focuses on the development and execution of the business strategies and future growth. An innovative leader with experience in the management of projects, commercials and construction support functions across Asia, GCC and Africa. He has proven the ability to manage mega projects safely by maintaining quality, schedule and budget with full accountability.
He started this Petro Contracts International Limited in 2017, and the motivational reasons behind this was that after gaining a lot of experience in EPC business, I find that EPC business is still being done in a little bit traditional, old orthodox manner, and resulted to that generally on the projects there is a cost overrun and the schedule overrun, which no client likes it. So we are trying to build another portfolio to support most of our clients in terms of how to mitigate the red tapeism and effectively improve the processes and procedures so that we can bring a most cost-effective solution to our clients. And that resulted in bringing up of Petro Contracts International Limited. Throughout my career, I have been focusing for value addition to our clients and also to create job opportunities and growth opportunities for youngsters. I'm very proud to say that Petro Contracts International has achieved these very close to my heart achievements in a very short span of time. And that is not just simply a result of my leadership or my company's objectives. I think it was all resultant because of we have a very amazing, very hardworking, very sincere, honest team to whom we trust upon.
The next category here is Global Indian of the Year 2020-21. And the winner in this category is none other than Managing Director of BAC Education, Raja Singham.
The BAC Education Group is dedicated to transforming lives through education. With a network of world-class partner universities and professional organizations, the group's vision is to nurture the next generation of innovative leaders with a futuristic mindset. Raja Singham, having founded BAC in 1991, has become one of Malaysia's most prominent educators and philanthropists, epitomizing the spirit of entrepreneurship. As a dedicated lecturer, passionate leader, master strategist, brand steward, and most importantly, a selfless friend, he has touched and empowered countless lives in his personal mission to build a better nation. He is actively involved in various government initiatives to improve the Malaysian education sector and is a circle expert for the Transformasi Nasional 2050 TN50 on work and value creation.
And I'd really like to thank Asia One for this award. Through this tough year, we've actually been driven by our purpose, which is basically to transform lives through education. So whether it's the students who study with us, the general public out there, whether it's marginalized communities, we've gone out to help people, and more than 200,000 people are studying with us. We've always been about people, whether it's our co-workers, our colleagues, our customers, the community. People are the greatest asset. So for us, we've been very much about building one of the strongest brands in education, and we're a multiple winner of the best brand in education. Another way we have built our brand is through collaboration with world-class universities and global tech giants. There's no point making money, no point being a billion-dollar corporation if you're not giving back to the community. Look at equity. The rich are getting richer and the poor are getting poorer. There is too much of a gap. So it's time for us to close that gap. The UN Sustainable Development Goals are a great way to look at things on what you want to do, working on things like reducing poverty, increasing access to education. We work with over 200 social good entities and trying to make the world a better place.
The next category is Asia One Global Leader of the Year 2020-21, and the trailblazer who claimed the honor is Swapnil Agarwal, CEO and Managing Partner, Nitya Capital and Karya Property Management. Hearty congratulations, sir.
Swapnil Agarwal's journey to the top has been characterized by his hard work, perseverance and constant learning. Born in Agra, India, Swapnil Agarwal and his parents migrated to Texas when he was 15 years old. After high school, Swapnil began his study at Houston Community College before self-financing his way to a business administration degree from the University of Texas at Austin. Today, Swapnil Agarwal is the CEO of Nitya Capital and Karya Property Management, which operates more than 20,000 multi-family units, 1.5 million square feet of commercial and 300,000 square feet of retail and single-family portfolio assets for a combined $2.5 billion in value. Agarwal founded Nitya Capital and Karya Property Management to focus on investing, management and construction rehab of multi-family assets in Texas. He has been the recipient of numerous awards.
I grew up under very unique circumstances. Having grown up in a small city in India and then moving to a pretty rough part of town in Houston in America, I realized how much amenities and services were lacking in the real estate industry. So I decided to pursue real estate finance because not only I could make investors good returns, but I could also impact people's lives and improve and build communities for major population of America. And that's what really motivated me to get in this business. And now I'm proud to say that we own almost $2.5 billion of assets. We have $1.6 billion of exits and have generated 34% IRR for net to our investors. So this is something I'm very proud of, and that's what has led us to keep a good stronghold into this industry. I think my biggest achievement as a leader has been that I have been able to produce and give birth to new leaders in respective departments and divisions of ours who have gone on and are going to carry on this legacy that we have built here. So enabling other leaders is something that I'm very proud of. I built a company that now employs close to 1,000 people, producing employment, servicing communities, building communities, taking care of our tenants, and generating some of the highest returns in the real estate industry. That's really something that I'm really proud of.
It's time for a short break, but don't go anywhere. Greatest Brands and Leaders 2020-21, Asia, Middle East, Africa, continues on the other side. So stay with us. Welcome back. You are watching Greatest Brands and Leaders 2020-21, Asia, Middle East and Africa, powered by Asia One Magazine and URS Media. The next prestigious category is Asia One Global Asian of the Year 2020-21, and the honor goes to Biren Ghosh, Country Head for India, Technicolor India.
Biren Ghosh is the country head for India for Technicolor Creative Studios. He has established India as the primary hub for Technicolor's global ecosystem of animation, games and VFX studios. He has made India the strategic center of excellence in India to seamlessly deliver animated content experiences to Technicolor's marquee world major clients including Disney, Paramount, Nick, EA, Ubisoft, etc. Biren has been knighted by the President of France, and the studios have amassed a clutch of the most coveted awards including the Oscars, the BAFTAs, the Emmys, the Cannes Gold and many more. He is the Vice Chairman for CII's National Committee for Media and Entertainment and is an evangelist for Indian media and entertainment, involved in the formulation of government policy and enhancing India's entertainment economy through the development of creative talent and technologies at scale.
Technicolor is all about talent. Our business is led by creatives that guide the aesthetic vision from ideas to the final pixel. Our creativity flows through a very connected global network of studios that are all connected to operate in real time. My journey has been magnetic and spellbinding. I have been building brands for over 4 decades. And during this period, communications and entertainment have undergone dramatic revolutions. I have done my best to crest those waves. Storytelling has always been my passion and forte. I've dreamed in Technicolor all my life, long before I came to work at this iconic brand. I call it serendipity. The great brands and companies I have worked for have taught me that to survive is to be ahead of the game. I have learned that to grow my business, we must grow the entire industry, our ecosystem. And I have attempted to do this through throughout.
Moving on to the next category, which is Global Indian of the Year 2020-21, and Manish Tripathi, Group CEO, Sevak Limited, is the proud recipient of this honour.
Manish is a global citizen who has worked in several multinational firms spanning over 10 countries, including the US, Saudi Arabia, Dubai, Singapore, Japan, China, Indonesia, Malaysia and India. Currently, Manish is the director and board member of DigiLife Technologies Limited, SGX listed, which was formerly known as Sevak Limited, a $250 million plus listed company in Singapore that operates in the areas of telecommunications, IT, system integration and electric vehicles. Sevak Limited was incorporated in Singapore under the name of Mediacom Technologies Pte Limited in 1993. Subsequently, it was converted to a public limited company in 1999. The company continues to focus on three verticals: operator products and distribution service, information communications and technology, ICT distribution and managed services, and mobile devices retail services. The company has also embarked upon battery electric vehicles fleet management services in Singapore since 2016.
Our company ventured into electric vehicles fleet business because we wanted to be the first commercial electric vehicles fleet in Singapore which has tied up with a ride-hailing app, and we did that. We have nurtured and curated a culture of fearless leadership which is based on technology and innovation. Our company continuously evolves. We very quickly move out of end-of-life products or sectors, get new products or new acquisitions in the company to bring new energy, new skills, new talent, and then move on. So the holding company remains where it is. Beneath that, we continuously evolve to create new energy, new profits for the company.
The next gentleman felicitated under the same category, Global Indian of the Year 2020-21, is man with a mission, Prakash Goenka, Managing Director, Shree TMT of Devashri Ispat Private Limited.
Shree TMT is the premium flagship product of Devashri Ispat Private Limited, which was established by the Goenka family in 2005. Located outside the city in Mahabubnagar district of Telangana, the manufacturing unit is equipped with advanced world-class technologies. Prakash Goenka's relentless vision and exquisite finesse for detail have earned him the most prominent position in India's iron and steel business. As the managing director of Devashri Ispat, he is making giant leaps in the sector with great agility, which is evidenced by the company's 500% growth over the last 15 years. Making Shree Extra TMT the most trusted brand was a shining moment for Mr. Goenka.
The pedigree of our steel manufacturing dates back to the year 1965. Today, our family is the largest manufacturers of billets and TMT steel in southern India, and our Shree TMT Extra is the highest selling brand in the southern region and in the Telangana. Our journey has been due to our transparent policies, our work culture, our ethos, ethics, and whatever we have taken as a legacy from our grandparents. What we have achieved is due to the hard work, our dedicated, diligent, determined workforce, and the adoption of technology at the right time. There were so many changes in the secondary steel sector. We were always the pioneers and the first one to adopt the new changes so that our cost of production can come down, our quality can improve, we can increase our production so that we can survive in the market, and not only survive, we can flourish. So what is now, that is visible to everyone.
Moving on to the next category, which is connected with empowering women. We now move on to presenting the Women Empowerment Principles Awards 2020-21. And the most deserving of the lot who bagged the title is Sunila Yadav, Managing Director, Anil Mantra Logistics Private Limited. She's also received the honor of Asia's Greatest Brand 2020-21.
Anil Mantra Logistics Private Limited was incorporated in the year 2009 with the aim to provide services and develop long-term relationships with clients in the field of logistics and supply chain. The founder of the company has been in the trade of supply chain for past 22 years and stands out with her own identity in a man's world. Sunila Yadav is the founder and managing director of Anil Mantra Logistics Private Limited. Previously, Sunila was the branch head with an IATA company. Sunila Yadav has been on the board for more than 12 years and actively involved in the daily working of the company.
The key features of logistics, as everybody would be knowing, is delivering from one point to another point, adding into the supply chain as a vendor, as a partner, as a team. We as Anil Mantra brand stand a little different than the others, as we provide solution to the customer as per his need, which is not supposed to be the same for one customer and of course for the second one also. We always bifurcate into the customers as per their own needs and not as per what the rules and the regulations say. We just don't have ourselves to the boundaries of India. We capture the complete world for them. We are majorly into the 3PLs and we are also into the cross-border shipments, wherein we provide solutions not only in India but in the various countries and the various continents in all the modes: air, sea, chartering and even the multimodal rail and trucking.
In the category Asia's Greatest Brands and Leaders 2020-21, the honour goes to Gerald Jaideep, CEO, Medvarsity Online Limited.
Medvarsity Online is Asia's largest healthcare edtech company with over 4 lakh medical professionals trained and certified across 192 countries. Medvarsity Online is impacting healthcare through education through medvarsity.com, docili.com and bookmysim.one. With some of the strongest industry and global partnerships, Medvarsity is poised to be a significant entity in the healthcare tech ed ecosystem. Gerald Jaideep, as the CEO of Medvarsity Online Limited, has over 3 decades of experience in the startup and technology sector. Apart from being a startup evangelist, he has also made great strides with companies like Simplilearn, Skillsoft, NIIT, Logica PLC and DuCont, amongst others. He is also the co-chair of FICCI EdTech Task Force.
One of the biggest opportunities and challenges that COVID brought out is the democratization of information and knowledge around the world. Today, Medvarsity focuses on that. How do you build the best of knowledge, put it together into a platform and make sure doctors, nurses, healthcare practitioners from around the world can come online, go through that learning, go to a partner location where our clinical observership is there, work under the guidance of a qualified professional, learn the skill, apply it and step out tomorrow to save a life every day. So our vision has been simple, right? And it hasn't changed over the last 5 years. Impacting healthcare through education. Can we make a difference to every life saved? When I walk into my office, can I look at a counter that shows today the students that we impacted have been able to save 100,000 lives every minute, every hour, every second, right? And that is essentially the dream that I live for.
Last but certainly not least, we salute and celebrate Asia's Greatest Brand 2020-21. And the honour in this category goes to
Seshasai
Business Forms Private Limited
and Bosco Mascarenhas to receive the same on behalf of Seshasai.
Seshasai Business Forms is a pioneer in technology solutions in India. Customers today prefer communication channels that allow efficient and personalized interaction. Seshasai's smart and secure communication solutions are not only compliant with regulatory standards but also meet the dynamic demands of India's unique demographic and geographic landscape. Seshasai's proprietary omni-channel communication platform Rubik connects traditional customer communication with digital experiences. Rubik is an AI-integrated system with data mining capabilities that provides every organization a powerful, secure and accurate communication generation system. Rubik ensures the right message is delivered to the right person at the right time and through the right channel. Seshasai is among India's most trusted technology solution partners.
It is truly an honor to receive the Asia's Greatest Brands 2021 award by Asia One magazine and to be recognized as a secure customer communication management leader. This award is a testimony of our vision to become the most preferred CCM solutions provider to all our customers. With our evolution, we have made sure that our solutions incorporate interactivity and are channelized through media of relevance, including social. In an age wherein immersive communication is moving towards augmented reality and virtual reality, we continue to endeavor to be relevant to our customers' needs by developing innovative solutions and solving customer problems that they encounter. I am humbled that Asia One magazine has recognized the work that we have been doing. This award is an added inspiration to the team to continue innovating and keep our customers ahead of their times.